Inside this modern refinery, discarded electronics begin a second life. Every device is tracked before processing begins. Certified documentation ensures legal and environmental compliance. Hazardous batteries are removed first to prevent fire. Circuit boards contain the highest gold concentration.
Mechanical reduction prepares metals for separation.
Fragments are reduced to uniform size.
Ferrous metals are removed magnetically.
Non-ferrous metals are separated by induced currents. The remaining fraction carries gold and copper. Smelting begins at temperatures above 12,200 degrees Celsius. Metals liquefy, while impurities rise as slag.
Transcription. Waste slag is removed for recycling.
Precious metals dissolve into molten copper.
The alloy solidifies into copper anodes. Shrinking. Electrolysis separates pure copper from precious metals. Copper deposits on cathodes, while gold settles below. Gold-rich anode slime is recovered.
Aqua regia dissolves gold into solution.
Gold transitions from solid to dissolved form.
Impurities are filtered from the solution.
Gold precipitates as fine powder.
The recovered gold is collected as powder. Washing removes residual chemicals.
The powder is dried before melting.
Gold reaches its melting point at 1064 degrees Celsius.
Impurities are removed from molten gold.
Cooling stabilizes the final form.
Polishing enhances purity appearance.
Each bar is uniquely identified. Purity is verified scientifically.
Advanced spectrometry confirms composition.
Bars are sealed for protection. Secure storage completes the cycle.
Closed-loop systems minimize environmental impact. Wastewater is neutralized and reused.
byproducts are recycled.
Refined gold returns to global markets. From discarded electronics to pure gold. Urban mining transforms waste into wealth.
Transcription. Components are meticulously separated for efficient recovery. Hazardous materials are isolated for safety.
Plastic is separated to prevent contamination of metals.
Shredding reduces boards to uniform fragments. Dust is extracted to maintain clean air quality.
Ferrous metals are magnetically separated. Eddy current separates non-ferrous metals effectively.
Concentrated metals are prepared for smelting.
Smelting starts at extreme temperatures. Gold and copper melt, while impurities form slag.
Transcription. Impurities are removed for recycling.
Molten metals are transferred safely for processing.
Alloy solidifies into copper anodes.
Electrolysis separates gold from copper. Gold-rich anode slime is collected for extraction.
Aqua regia dissolves gold from solids.
Transcription. Gold dissolves safely into solution.
The transcription. Impurities are separated from gold solution.
Gold particles are precipitated for collection.
Drying ensures powder is ready for melting.
Gold reaches melting temperature.
Impurities are removed for purity enhancement. Bars stabilize as they cool.
Polishing enhances appearance and quality.
Each bar is uniquely identified and traceable. Purity is scientifically verified.
Spectrometry confirms gold composition.
Sealed bars are protected for transport. Bars are secured in storage.
Environmental systems minimize emissions and waste.
Waste acids are safely neutralized. Byproducts are repurposed for sustainability. Refined gold is dispatched globally.
Urban mining integrates with worldwide supply chains.
Even small components are valuable sources of gold.
Safety gear is essential for handling hazardous materials. Gold exists even at microscopic scale on boards.
Sorting fragments improves smelting efficiency. Magnet removes ferrous metals efficiently. Non-ferrous metals are separated by induction. Accurate measurement ensures consistent smelting. Furnace parameters maintain precise smelting conditions. Molten metals separate naturally by density.
Slag is safely removed to isolate precious metals.
Molten metals are transferred with care.
Anodes solidify, ready for electro-refining.
Electrolysis separates gold from copper. Collected gold will undergo chemical recovery.
Gold dissolves safely in controlled chemical bath.
Transcription. Gold is extracted from solids into solution. Filtration removes remaining impurities.
Gold precipitates as fine powder, ready for collection.
Powder prepared for melting and refining.
Drying ensures powder is ready for melting.
Gold reaches melting point at 1064 degrees Celsius.
Impurities are removed for purity enhancement.
Molten gold solidifies into bars.
Urban mining transforms electronic waste into pure gold, completing the modern industrial cycle.